In this video, I will show you how to install the RBCA030 axle adapter on the bike carrier. The adapter comes with 3 through-axle insert sizes, 15 by 100mm, 20 by 110mm, and 12 by 100mm. Additional through-axle sizes are 15 by 150mm, 9 by 135mm, and 15 by 110mm, which are sold separately. Remove the front wheel from your bike. Slide the through-axle into the adapter. Be sure the through-axle sits evenly in position as shown. Insert the grub screws provided. Tighten in place with a 3mm Allen key. Do not over-tighten. Note: adapter is installed in alternate orientation when 2 or more bikes are to be carried. Fix the adapter to the bike by reinstalling the bike's axle. Place the bike onto the carrier. The through-axle adapter will sit onto the exposed sections of the quick-release skewer as shown. Tighten and lock in place. Tighten the carrier's rear wheel strap. Be sure fixtures are secure before use. Periodically check torque on fixtures.